You know it. I know it. You know.
Shalom, brothers and sisters. Welcome to my channel, Be Like Christ. And so, I use the animal-based diet to control my autoimmune conditions. I have several of them that I am fighting, but I stay optimum with this diet. So I highly encourage people to live. Today we are diving into the world of nutrient timing for those following a meat and fruit diet. So whether you're experimenting with this eating style or just curious, I'll break down when to eat for optimal results. So let's get started. The basics. Alright. A meat and fruit diet, as the name suggests, focuses on consuming primarily meat and fruit, and sometimes with this small amounts of other foods like raw dairy. This approach aims to mimic the eating patterns of our hunter-gatherers ancestors. Alright, so for breakfast, research shows that eating a larger breakfast can lead to a more significant weight loss compared to having a large dinner, even with the same total daily calories. On a meat and fruit diet, consider making breakfast your largest meal of the day. Breakfast ideas: grass-fed beef patties with a variety of fresh fruits or avocados, organ meats with berries and melon, for lunch, aim to balance of protein from meat and carbohydrates from fruit. This combination helps to maintain energy levels throughout the afternoon. So for lunch options, you can have some grilled chicken with a large fruit salad, or a steak with sliced mango and pineapple. Following the breakfast like a king, lunch like a prince, dinner this like a pauper principle. Make dinner your smallest meal. This approach aligns your body's natural circadian rhythms small portions. For dinner, you can have a small portion of fish with a few pieces of fruit, a light meat dose with berries for fruit, pre and post workout nutrition. Before you exercise, consume easily digestible fruits for about 30 minutes before you work out for energy. After you exercise, within 30 minutes of your post workout, have a meal. Combining meat for protein and fruit for carbohydrate to support recovery and muscle growth. If you're combining a meat and fruit diet with intermittent fasting, consider these tips. Schedule your eating window earlier in the day. Break your fast with a protein-rich dish. End your eating window with fruit to replenish glycogen stores. Hydration, don't forget about hydration. Fruits provide some water. Make sure to drink plenty throughout the day, especially if you are active. Listen to your body. Remember, individual responses can vary, so pay attention to how different timing strategies affect your energy, performance, and overall well-being. Nutrient timing on a meat and fruit diet involves front-loading your calories, balancing meat and fruit intake throughout the day, and aligning your meals with your activity levels. Experiment with these strategies to find what works best for you. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe and enter your comments if you have questions. And for more nutrition tips, be sure to register for my free 90-day detox challenge at belikechrist.net.
You Lord, the Lord.